In today's video, I'm going to show you how to submit a Beehiiv bug bounty report step by step. If you found an issue inside Beehiiv, this is the fastest way to report it properly so the team can review it, reproduce the bug, and get back to you with a response. This is especially helpful if you want to document a problem clearly, attach proof, and make sure nothing important gets missed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software how-to videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account using your normal login details. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one publication or workspace. After that, look for the Help option inside Beehiiv. This is usually where support and reporting tools are located, and it's the place you'll use to start your bug report. Click Help and then look for the option that says Report a Bug. This is the feature designed specifically for sending issue details directly to the Beehiiv team. When you open it, you'll usually be asked to fill out a form with a few questions about the issue you found. Don't rush this part because the more clearly you explain the problem, the easier it is for the team to understand what happened. Start by entering the basic details they asked for. This may include what you were doing when the bug appeared, which page or feature was involved, and what you expected to happen instead. Try to be as specific as possible. For example, if something didn't load correctly, tell them exactly where you were in Beehiiv and what you clicked before the problem started. If you can, include the steps you took so the issue can be reproduced. Next, attach any screenshots or recordings that show the bug in action. This is one of the most important parts of the report because visual proof makes it much easier for the support team to confirm the issue. A screenshot can show an error message, while a screen recording can show the exact sequence that caused the bug. If Beehiiv gives you the option to add files, upload the ones that best explain the problem. Once all the details are filled in, review everything one more time before submitting. Make sure your explanation is clear, your attachments are included, and nothing important is missing. Then click Submit to send the report to Beehiiv. At that point, your bug report has officially been submitted and the team can begin reviewing it. After you submit, the last step is simple. Wait for a response from the Beehiiv team. Depending on the issue and their support queue, it may take some time for them to reply. If they need more information, they may ask follow-up questions, so keep an eye on your email or Beehiiv notifications. And that's it. You now know how to submit a Beehiiv bug bounty report the right way. Again, log into Beehiiv, open Help, click Report a Bug, fill in the required details, attach screenshots or recordings, submit the report, and wait for the team to respond. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.